Good morning, children. Welcome to the art class. Today we are going to do this page number 20 of your book, in which you can see spray painting. Okay, so we are going to learn spray painting today. For this spray painting, you need a old toothbrush. You can see I have taken a old toothbrush here. Okay, and I have taken green and red color for doing spray painting. I have mixed a little water. You can see in Rangila colors I have taken this green color and mixed little water, and I have also taken red color and mixed little water in it. Okay, so keep these two colors ready. After that you can do this spray painting on the plain sheet given on page number 21 of your book. Okay, so let's start. Now you can see I have arranged a scissor and different shapes I have cut out of a card paper. So you can also cut or you can take different objects also for doing spray painting. Now we will start doing spray painting. You have to be careful that you don't spill water or color droplets on the paper. Okay, so you have to shake off the extra color from the toothbrush in the plate and then only bring your brush on the paper. Now you can see you have to hold the brush like this with 4 fingers, and with thumb you will do the spraying. Okay, so let's start. You can see the movement of the thumb, how I am moving my thumb to spray on the paper. Okay, like this you have to do the spray. You can take any colors of your choice for spraying. You have to spray with one color on full paper. After that you will take another color. Now we will take red color and we will spray red color on green color. Okay, like this you have to spray on the full paper. Now we will remove the objects. After doing spraying, we will remove the objects very slowly. Okay, and see, be careful that you don't touch the page because the color is not dry till now. Okay, so we will remove the scissors first, slowly, like this. You can see the spray painting below. Then we will remove this duck. Very slow, and be very careful in removing all these objects. Like this. Now you can see how you have to do the spray painting. You can take any objects of your choice and complete it on page number 21. Okay, children, I hope you will love doing it. See you in the next class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.